Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can create new users or reset the details or configuration of existing users for logging into Azure VMs. First, choose your existing VM that you want to create a new user for or reset the password. Here, click on Connect, and inside Connect, you will see Connect and Bastion. Click on Connect, and here you will see your existing details. Just click on Reset Password or Keys. And in this page, you get to reset password, add a SSH public key, or reset configuration. So if you want to reset password, just choose reset password, enter your user here for which you want to reset password. Here, if this user does not exist, this user will be created. So this is not just resetting password, this is also creating a new user. And let's create a new user. I'll just call it Azure user test, create a new password. Okay, you need to follow all the policies, like have some special character, and so on. So let me just try to put a difficult password. Okay, now you can just click on update, and if this user is not there, this user will be created. If this user exists, the username, sorry, not the username, the password for this user will be changed. Okay, now if you want to add an SSH key, you can just again write the name of existing user if you want to reset, or create a new username if you want to create a new SSH public key. And here just enter the key pair name, let's call it test key, and click on update. And now new key pairs will be generated. Just click on download and create, and your test key will be downloaded, or your actual key, not test, and you can use this key to log in. So this is how you can reset password or create new users for VM in Azure. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.